Hi guys, so now I am at Asia International Hostel. Hello guys, this is Dr. Pyali Goswami. As we promised you that we are at hostel, we will be seeing the hostel also. So we are at hostel now. We are going to see by ourselves that how the hostel looks. Is it a scam or it is a real? So come, let's check in the hostel. Oh, hi. Hi. What's your name? Can you just...
My name is Shiva.
Okay, so you're the warden.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, so if we just can see the corridors and the rooms,
Yeah.
so we can just get the clear idea and clear picture about the hostel of this university.
Yes.
Okay, guys, just let's see. It is Mr. Shiva is here. He is the warden of Asia International Hostel. So he will show give us a short tour of the hostel as well as the rooms, and I think we have Indian food available here, and about the canteen, kitchen, whatever we call it. So can we go?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Shiva, just wanted to ask you that how many floor hostel it is?
And in here, this totally three floors.
Three floors.
Ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor is a
Third dining area.
Dining area.
And the girls hostel and the boys hostel are separate.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much far? This is which hostel?
It's boys' hostel.
This is boys hostel.
Yeah.
Okay. So and what about girls hostel? How much far it is?
I think 3 to 4 kilometers.
3 to 4
Yeah,
kilometers.
from
Okay.
here,
From the university, from this hostel.
from this hostel.
Okay, so let's see. Come
Okay.
on. This is which number bed?
It's a 5-seater, ma'am.
It's a 5-seater.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. So students are there, of course, they are not in the position to talk because as I said, it was very much random.
Yeah.
So it was not at all something scripted.
Yeah, ma'am. Come.
Yeah, so just I have to take the permission. Guys, I'm really sorry. Just 2 minutes, okay? I'll just check the rooms.
This is a 5-seater, ma'am.
There's a 5-seater.
Yeah.
Quite nice and clean. Very good, boys. A very clean room. So they are studying there. Wow, that's good. I have the bathroom, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
It's attached bathroom.
Yeah, every room have attached bathroom, ma'am.
Oh, excellent.
With the geyser.
Excellent.
Yeah.
A well-organized, beautiful 5-star hostels, and everybody is here. We are not disturbing anyone because everybody is studying. This is a 5-bedded room. It's very clean. You see attached bathroom to it. The closet, the cupboard is also there. Very good. The seating arrangement is there. If they want to study, they have a table, study table. Yeah, I guess we shouldn't disturb. We already saw they are not in a position. They just came from the university. So not to disturb anyone. We'll see one normal, very, that room.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
So let's see any of them room randomly.
Come this way.
Yeah, this is 3-seater.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, in the same floor we have, we'll see some other floor also. This is a closet. This is a bathroom. Okay, this is boys area. See, this is the room. Same, the study table, 3-bed, their areas, closet, same AC is there, ventilated window is there, then heater is there. Oh, that's good. Same, just that is 5-seated, 5-bedded, and this is 3-bedded. Okay.
We
So
have first aid room also.
First aid room
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Okay, let's check in the first aid room also.
If anything emergency, anything.
Okay, this is the first aid room. It is also well equipped. See, they have all the medicines,
Yeah.
normal medicines. It's also there is all the normal medicines which we need in daily life if something happens in an accident basis. So we have this. All the drip and all is there. That's very good. Okay, antibiotics and all, everything is there. Okay, that's very nice. So this is third floor,
Third
right?
floor, yeah.
Okay, come. This is the third floor. So we'll see the new students' room also and the old student, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So those who are coming next week, we'll see their room as well.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
This is very big and whole corridor. So just guys come.
Come.
We see the empty room here. So again, randomly we are taking into a room. It's a clean room.
Yeah.
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 Okay. For the safety of the students, I think Mr. Shiva, you are just closing it, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
When it is open, this balcony.
Where when you need, you will open this.
Okay, summer and.
Summer cleaning purpose, and then.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's so it is very safe. Every room is having the same.
Yeah.
There are so many like plug and all. Everywhere you can. Everywhere they have socket there. So we'll come and we'll just walk towards the food area, right? The
Yeah, okay.
the lunch, the dining area,
Yeah,
right?
dining area, ma'am.
So dining areas is in fourth floor.
Yeah.
So let's go walk
Yeah,
there. I think everybody is having food.
Yeah.
Shiva, I've heard that you have two cooks like from North India
North
and from.
Indian and South Indian, ma'am.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
I mean, really great. So we are always in tension if we go abroad and study there, what else we are going to eat.
Yeah.
So we have both the food. We can check. Already okay. So most of it's late night now.
Dining.
And girls are also there. They're coming.
Yeah, for lunch.
Okay, so these areas for
For
girls. This is the washing area. Okay, guys, come. It's a little bit way. Washing area. And laundry is also here?
No, it's
That side.
yeah.
Okay. So they're washing, cleaning, and everything is done here. That's it. Nothing else is there.
Yeah, nothing
Okay.
else.
So let's go for the laundry area.
Yeah.
So guys, we are heading towards the kitchen area. We'll check the kitchen and let's see how it looks and how it is, how everything. So I think this is the kitchen area. So can we see the kitchen?
No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. We're not allowed the outside or to inside the kitchen.
That's
because
really good.
hygiene
That's
is
really good. Very impressive because we are wearing the outside shoes and all, and students are eating food. No random person, whoever it is not allowed in the kitchen. That's a very, very good thing. And so, but just wanted to ask.
Yeah, ma'am. I asked the chef to come over.
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, Vinatana, come.
And it's the overtime, you know,
Come.
it's the time is over. So we have come suddenly and randomly in this. He is the North Indian cook.
And this is a South Indian cook.
Okay, you are the South Indian. What's your name?
My name is Vinod. I am from Tamil Nadu in Erode district.
Okay, and you are making the South Indian food, right?
Yes.
So I have one query of mine is clarified that yes, South Indian food we are getting. And आप जो है North India से हो, right? आप कहाँ से हो?
बनारस से हैं
अच्छा, आपका नाम क्या है?
राजेश
अच्छा, तो ये जो है he is the one who is making North Indian food. So our all doubts are cleared as we have promised to everyone that from the university till the hostel we will be taking every details of the university. So it's done.